to the show. Welcome back. Okay.
Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream. Place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, this dream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. Take heed of the dream. Oh, wow. That was some beautiful guitar playing there, Niji. Hey, thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nano BOOZHOO, and this is Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min. Minowa. How? Thanks. That's a heavy song, huh? Oh, hey, by the way, give us a thumbs up if you like the song and subscribe. All right. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a very wealthy man who lived in a very dangerous town.
Oh,
And he was married to a lady who wore pearls. And he had a little boy named Bruce. And so one night, they decided, hey, you know what? Let's go down to the movie theater. We can go see Zorro. And oh, wow, little Bruce, he was like, oh, geez, I wanted to see that movie. I can't wait to see Zorro. And so they go down and they see that movie, right? And oh, it's everything that Bruce had hoped it would be. If you haven't seen Zorro, Zorro's a story about this guy. He wears a black mask and a cape, and he's got a sword, and he sword fights these guys. And when he leaves a big Z on the wall, and it's the mark of Zorro. And so they see the movie, and then they're walking, and the dad goes, hey, you know what? Let's go down this scary alley. And so he takes his wife with the pearls and his little boy, Bruce, and they start walking down there. Well, what happens? Oh, this robber comes up, and he's got a gun, and he goes, hey, you, give me your wallet. And Bruce's dad was all, hey, man, why don't you leave us alone? And that's when the guy, it goes, oh, yeah? Well, watch this. And he rips off the pearls from the lady, and all the pearls scatter on the floor. And then he goes, pow, pow, and he shoots the mom and dad right in front of Bruce.
oh, jeez.
And then he runs away. And little Bruce is like, oh, geez, look at this. My mom and my dad, they just got shot.
Oh,
What should I do? Oh, I'm just a little guy. I can't do anything. So he goes back home. And his butler, Alfred, goes, hey, you know what? Now that your parents are dead, I'm going to have to take care of you. So why don't you go ahead and, make a fort down in the basement there. You can call it a cave or whatever.
the Bat Cave?
And then I'm going to have you start working on karate and detective work and whatever. And so for the next number of years, Bruce, he worked really hard. He lifted weights every day, and he studied karate, and he studied how to make cars and grappling hooks and just everything. He was really smart. And then the day came where he goes, okay, you know what? I'm going to avenge my parents. He also learned how to sew. He learned how to make a costume. So he dressed up like a bat, and he put on a yellow belt that had all these gadgets. Just in case he got into trouble and he had to fight some guy.
You're right, huh?
But he already knew karate, so he knew that. He'd probably be fine. And he got into a car that he dressed up like, not like a bat, but it had like bat emblems on it. And it was black. And it was, it was a really nice car. And he went out into the city. And he started to fight crime. But he would never use a gun. Don't pay attention to what you see in these movies. Batman didn't like guns.
Yeah, huh?
Because that's what killed his parents. Mm-hmm. And this is how little Bruce became Papak Wanna Jean in a knee. Batman.
Oh,
And this has been the story of Papak Wanna Jean in a knee, the Batman. To learn more about the Batman, go to your local library and ask them, how come you never have comics here?
Why are you guys so stuck up? You don't like comic books?
Yeah.
That's all we want to read. Oh, no, you got to read Tom, what's his name? Huck Finn, Tom Sawyer. No, we want to read Batman. All right. Well, hey, sweetie. That was my rant. That was my Batman rant. What'd you think?
Oh, that was great.
Would you mind sending us out
Sure.
for the day? I know I do all the talking here, but I so love your beautiful voice.
Oh, get out of here. Well, hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, you can always leave us a tip at PayPal. You know, throw a quarter in the guitar case. And, or if you'd like to support us every month, click the link to Patreon, and we'll send you a book like Snow on Skin. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Miigwech gana wabi egg. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin min minawa. Oh. All right. Tune in tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Nah.